So, good day. My name is Rosal Ventura. At ngayon, ibaba naman natin yung Tier 0 starting point na si dancing. So, nakakonect na ako sa VPN. So, eto, i-reset lang natin yung target machine natin para maka-generate ng panibagong IP. So, ito yung IP nung target machine natin. So, i-copy lang naman natin. So, sagot na tayo. So, what does the three-letter acronym SMB stand for? So, SMB stands for Server Message Block. So, SMB na to is used for sharing access to files. And also, ginagamit din siya sa Windows. So, what port? So, punta tayo sa terminal. So, test muna natin yung connection dun sa may machine. IP. So, meron siyang connection. So, using nmap command, then yung IP. Ayan, antayin lang natin. So, ito. So, meron tayong tatlong open port here. So, yung gagamitin natin port is si port 445. So, try natin 445. Bakit 445? Kasi yung newer version ng SMB, port 45 na yung ginagamit. So, tama. Next. What is the service name for port 445 that came up in our nmap scan? So, balik tayo. So, service. So, ito. Microsoft-DX. So, copy na lang natin. Paste. Then, submit answer. What is the flag or switch that we can use with the SMB client utility to list the available shares on Lansing? So, yung sagot dito is -L. -L, this L is for long list format. So, i-execute natin. So, balik tayo dito. So, SMB client -L. Then yung IP. Balik tayo. Copy natin yung IP. Ulitin natin. Ayan. So, enter lang. So, ito yun yung mga ano, yung list. So, yung sagot dito is dash all. So, submit answer. Next. How many shares are there on Dancing? So, check natin dito sa may result. So, share, we have 4. So, admin, si ITC, at saka si work shares. So, yung tatlo dito is meron siyang admin privilege itong may mga dollar sign. So, yan. So, 4. 4. Submit. What is the name of the share we are able to access in the end with a blank password? So, balik ulit tayo. Blank password. So, eto. Si work shares. Copy na lang natin. Ayan. Submit answers. What is the command we can use within the SMB shell to download the files we did find? So, yung ginamit nating command is si get. So, balik muna tayo sa terminal. So, for shares siya. So, pasokan natin si work shares using this command. So, SMB client. I-clear muna natin. So, SMB client. Since pang-apat siya, so 4, and then work shares. No, IP muna. Paste natin. Then, work shares. And then double slash ulit. Enter lang. So, napasok na natin si SMB. So, LS. So, mayroong 4 dito niya, directories. So, try natin hanapin si flag.txt dito kay amy.j or kay james.p. So, kay amy.j. So, cd amy.j. So, mali. Mali. LS natin kung meron. Mali. Pwede. So, walang flag.txt dito. So, cd.dat tayo. Then, punta tayo kay James. James.p. ls. So, ito. Flag.txt. So, tama yung command na get to download the files we find. So, execute natin yung command na yun. So, get flag.txt. So, ayan. Then, exit tayo. Clear. And ls. Tayo ng downloads. ls. ls. So, wala pala siya sa download. So, cd.dat so ls. Nandito pala siya. So using cat command, cat, then flag.txt. So, ito. Yung ating root flag. Then, submit flag.